How to validate digital signature in PDF. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. You need Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Okay, just open the Adobe Acrobat software, then simply go to this menu option and click on the preference. Okay, under the preference we need to go in signature. Under the signature we need to go in verification option. Just click on this more button, and here you can see the lots of options. So we need to go in this require certificate revocation checking. Okay, just untick it. Okay, okay, now try to put open that signed documents. It will be validated. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.